Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build generational wealth over time, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what generational wealth means. Generational wealth is the financial assets passed down from one generation to another. Start with a solid financial foundation. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary spending. Establish an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Next, focus on paying off high-interest debt. Prioritize credit card balances and personal loans. Consider using the snowball or avalanche method for repayment. Invest in your education and skills to increase your earning potential. Consider attending workshops, courses, or obtaining professional certifications. Once you have a stable income, explore investment opportunities. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs to diversify your portfolio. Educate yourself about the stock market and real estate investing. Set specific financial goals for your investments. Invest regularly, using a strategy like dollar-cost averaging. Aim to contribute to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matching if available. As your wealth grows, explore real estate options, such as rental properties or REITs. Focus on building a diverse investment portfolio to mitigate risk. Plan for your estate and how you want your wealth to be transferred. Set up a will or trust to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Communicate openly with family about financial values and goals. Encourage financial literacy among your children. Teach them about budgeting, saving, and investing from a young age. Monitor your financial progress and adjust your strategies as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.